This is episode 0035 of Gary's Glorious Golden Nuggets. And today we are honored to have Trish Davies of Trish Davies International. Trish Davies has an awful lot of things that are going on in her world. She started her own business after she was feeling a bit frustrated, not really happy being a corporate accountant. And so she started in 1997 her own real estate operation. So that predates pretty much anything that people are doing online in the internet. And in time, she started Incorporated and has built literally a digital empire for herself, offering all kinds of services. Later, I'm going to ask her to tell us a little bit more about Trish Davies International. But for now, I just want to welcome Trish Davies to Gary's Glorious Golden Nuggets.
Thank you, Gary. That's a very nice introduction.
I just want to make a minor disclosure. Trish is really part of the impetus that got me to be a podcaster. I was attending one of her groups where we discuss strategies for dealing with the online world and what we can do. And it was one of the things that they suggested in there that maybe I ought to consider that. And here I am today. So if you like the podcast, thank you, Trish. If you don't like the podcast, I'm really sorry. It's improving. So that's all I can say. It's improving. So Trish, what's the one thing you wish you knew before you went into this digital universe?
That's a good question. And I think that, and I was just going to go down all of these sort of tactical routes with the journey, but I think giving it some thought and giving it some insight, I believe that it's trusting in the journey. And when I say trusting in the journey, it's just knowing that there is a bigger entity or a bigger force or something out there that helps and supports and guides you in your vision and your goal. So whatever it is that you are wanting to achieve, it is absolutely 100% scientifically proven that there is something bigger and better than you that can actually orchestrate the pieces and can actually align and bring everything together that you need to accomplish what it is that you want to accomplish. And I know that sounds big and it sounds something sometimes people will think, oh, yeah, right, okay. And some people might be listening to this thinking, yeah, where I am right now, like I'm in a job that I don't like and I'm in a house that I don't appreciate. Sometimes it's a little tough or challenging to actually aspire to or to look outside yourself, just to know that there is something that's going to help and orchestrate all those pieces to come together. So right people, right circumstances, right events will appear at the right time when you mentally, when you shift that mindset to the right level of awareness. And that awareness comes through education, comes through training, comes through the right mentors and the right people, the right coaches, hanging out with the right people. Once you start making those changes in your life, then there are bigger forces that help you to get you to where you need to get to. And so I think the biggest word is just trust. And aren't we challenged by that? We're challenged all the time by trusting that, yes, everything's going to be okay, and trusting that the journey is going to work out, and trusting that we're going to get to that goal. I would say that would be the biggest challenge. And I think it comes down to our belief patterns and how we believe, what we believe is possible. And so I think shifting our beliefs, and that again can be done through the type of education you're getting, the type of training that you're getting, the people that you're hanging out with. And if you step that up a level, your beliefs shift. So yeah, so I think trust is the big word of the day for that question, Gary. I hope that answered that.
What I was thinking the whole time is she is absolutely defining the law of attraction. It's just basically everything that fits into that. But that's really there. Thank you very much.